Hi friends, welcome back to everyone. I am Mr. Mahadev Kamble from Siddheshwar Nivashi Vidyalaya Varvanti, Taluka Usmanabad. Today we are going to learn about how to develop a story writing in English for ninth and 10th standard. First of all, we have to explain about what is a story. A story is basically narrating real or imaginary events. It's a new creative art. A story ending can be either of happy or sad. वास्तविक अथवा काल्पनिक घटना या कथेच्या रूपात मूलभूतपणे मांडल्या जातात. कथा लिहिणे म्हणजेच एक सर्जनशील कला आहे आणि कथेचा शेवट आनंदात किंवा दुःखात होत असतो. नाव लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द बेसिक एलिमेंट्स ऑफ स्टोरी रायटिंग इन इंग्लिश. फर्स्ट सेटिंग म्हणजे कथेची सुरुवात. कॅरेक्टर्स कथेतील पात्र अथवा व्यक्तिरेखा. प्लॉट गोष्टीचं कथानक. क्लायमॅक्स कथेतील उच्चतम समस्या. रेझोल्युशन मीन्स कथेचा शेवट. Now we are going to explain all these basic elements in detail. Setting. Setting means beginning introduction of a story about time and place. Create atmosphere of story by describing specific events. कथेची सुरुवात वेळ आणि ठिकाणापासून करण्यात यावी व त्यातील घटनांचे किंवा प्रसंगाचे वर्णन करून कथेतील वातावरण निर्मिती करावी. Now look at another element that is referred to the characters. Introduce the main character and other sub-characters. Mention characters' traits, goal and their background. कथेतील मुख्य पात्र आणि त्याचबरोबर इतर पात्राविषयी माहिती सांगून त्यांची गुणवैशिष्ट्ये नमूद करावी. Now look at the figure of plot that is given here. Friends, plot is very important element in story because it is related with the series of events that make up a story. अनेक घटनांच्या अशा क्रमवार मालिकामुळे गोष्टीचे कथानक तयार होते, त्यालाच आपण कथेचा सारांश म्हणतो. या कथानकाचा प्रथम घटक म्हणजेच एक्सपोजिशन. यात सेटिंग आणि कॅरेक्टर या दोन्ही बाबींचा समावेश होतो. मीन्स ॲट द व्हेरी बिगिनिंग देर इज इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्टोरी अबाउट टाइम अँड प्लेस ॲज वेल ॲज वी मस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस द मेन कॅरेक्टर अँड अदर सब कॅरेक्टर्स, ट्रेट्स, गोल अँड देअर बॅकग्राऊंड. या एक्सपोजिशनच्या अनुषंगाने आपण एखाद्या गोष्टीची सुरुवात कशी करावी, दॅट आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू स्टोरी. प्लीज लिसन इट केअरफुली. वन्स देर वॉज अ स्कूल गर्ल. Her name was Rupali. She was learning in the 10th standard. She was living in a small town. She was very clever girl. She had natural gift of presence of mind. She heard the news about kidnappers to those who were entered in that town. Like this way, you have to expose the story. After the exposition, there is a rising action point. Rising action point, that events leading up to the main problem. My friends, hence we have to create main problem or conflict, and that main problem simultaneously reaches on high level point that is called क्लायमॅक्स. म्हणजेच एखादी मुख्य समस्या अगदी पराकुटीला किंवा उच्चतम स्तराला जाऊन पोहोचते, त्यास आपण क्लायमॅक्स असे म्हणतो. वरील कथेतील समस्या कशा प्रकारे पराकुटीला जाऊन पोहोचते ते आपण पाहूया. नाउ द सेम स्टोरी that I am going to continue here. One day Rupali was going to market. She saw that three unknown men were carrying the sacks. Rupali noticed that something moved in that sacks. She realized that the human feet were peeping out from that sacks. She came to know that the men were kidnappers. She followed the kidnappers, and the kidnappers entered into the old house and they hid themselves there. My friends, hence we have created the main problem of kidnappers who kidnap the children and they hid into the old house. This is the stage of climax. After the climax, a story takes a turning point that is called a falling action. Whatever the problem is created, such a problem try to solve, and simultaneously the story reaches at the stage of resolution. means the story comes to an end and suggests a final outcome of the story. वरील कथेचा शेवट कशा प्रकारे होतो, that we have to see here. Rupali suddenly informed the police station. She narrated police inspector whatever she had seen. After some time, the police inspector arrived there and searched the old house. He found that 5 children were in that sacks. The police inspector arrested to those kidnappers and brought them to the police station. The children were rescued. Finally, police inspector praised Rupali's great deeds and her presence of mind. In this way, everyone praised Rupali's courage and presence of her mind. Uh, so far the examination is concerned, the two ways of the story writing will be asked. The first, develop a story with the help of beginning part. For example, once there was poor farmer. He had 3 sons. They were always dash dash dash. Now, beginning part is given, and with the help of beginning part, we have to develop a story. Now, the second way, develop a story with the help of ending part. For example, dash 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 everyone was praised. Rupali's adventure and presence of her mind. The ending part is given here, and we have to develop a story with the help of ending part. Now, while writing the story in English, we must remember the most important things. First of all, things to remember: suitable title, write the story in the past tense, use simple and lucid language, use punctuation marks and grammatical structure, use dialogues where as it possible, use linking words or phrases, at least 3 or 4 paragraphs necessary. Thank you very much.